But fy It's my fault. Affleck.
Oh.
I got one.
You got one. Is it?
Amanda?
Yeah.
I don't want to be accused of cheating. I don't want to touch the card. Go ahead, take it. No, Amanda, look. There truly and truly is one card and only one card in my mouth. It really is folded, not once.
Twice.
Not twice, but 3 times. Amanda is signed 10 of dimes. There you go.